Hi, my name is Cameron at Feighner Boat Lifts and Docks. Today we're going to be going over the dock ramp hinge kit. The tools needed for the install are going to be a drill with a 3/8 bit on it, an impact or a socket with a 3/4 inch socket on it, and an open end 3/4 inch wrench, with some pliers and a marker to mark where you need to drill the pipe. The parts that come with this kit are going to be your ramp hinge brackets, 2 washers, 2 cotter pins, and a 48-inch pipe. First, we're going to start with installing the ramp hinge bracket. To install it, put a 1/2-inch bolt through the holes that are already drilled out in the dock. And you do this on both sides. And then tighten it down with your socket and your open end wrench. And that's going to be on both sides also. Next, we're going to slide the 48-inch pipe through the brackets. You're going to take your marker and mark the desired location to drill out where the cotter pins are going to go. After that, you're going to want to remove the dock pipe and drill out the pipe. After you've drilled out the dock pipe, you're going to want to slide both washers onto the dock pipe and slide it back through the brackets, with the washers being installed as furthest out as you can go. Next, the cotter pins are going to slide through the hole that you have drilled out, with the washer being on the outside. Next, you're going to want to install the cotter pin where the hole you've drilled out, and take your pliers and bend the cotter pin. You're going to continue to do that on the other side as well. Finished installing your dock ramp hinge kit, you're ready to install your ramp. Depending on the height of your dock that's installed, you can either have an incline, or if it's higher, it'll be less of an angle. It all depends on the water depth and the height of your dock.